So let's start with one cucumber, two kiwi, and one lemon. This is very nice for the day. After you finish blending it, it can take you for a day if you're taking it alone. I'm going to cut them, peel and cut and remove all the seeds that are inside. I am doing this because I want the kids to take from this, and also you can take it when you don't want it to have much effect on you. Yes, let me tell you some of the benefits of these vegetables. So cucumber and kiwi, they are both seasonal foods which are loaded with nutritive goodness. Cucumber itself comprises of about 95% water, which keeps the body hydrated from within. The vegetable is light, filling, and may help you shed extra kilos, as well as provide the body with vital nutrients such as vitamin K. Yes, it also contains antioxidants which are vital for the body to fight against diseases. What about the kiwi? Kiwi is one of the most underrated sources of vitamin C. Not everybody take kiwi because they complain it's not sweet, it bites, and so on. But these have a lot of vitamins. Yes, it's good for building immunity and keep the body healthy. So when you mix these two vegetables together, the result is excellent. So now I am removing or taking the upper part of the kiwi because I don't want the seed to enter in it. I don't know if you have noticed that whenever you are blending it, it's very difficult for those seeds to blend. So I just want to do it this way. First, for the kids to take it. Second, to have less effect. So after this, I'll go ahead and do the same thing to the cucumber. I am going to peel the back and remove the seed in them. I won't throw them away. I will use it for the second one because I'm going to do two types of kiwi and cucumber juice or smoothie. Alright, welcome back to my channel. It's a pleasure to have you here again watching Oma's Taste. Thank you so much for tuning in. I so much appreciate the effort and the time. Thank you so much. I am seeing all of you. Yes, I am seeing you. Yes. I know you are watching. Please leave me a comment, a like. Also, just tell me hi. I will know that you are here. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your love. Thank you. So removing all the seed inside, I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces and go ahead to juice the lemon. Alright, to get the juice very well, I have to roll it. You can also use your microwave here and warm it for like 1 minute. Then you juice it out. Yes, I'm juicing it out, but in the next one that I'm going to blend everything together, both the back and the seed, I'll just cut the lemon in pieces, but not with the back. Alright, so here everything is ready. The ones without seed and the back, I'm going to blend them first. After introducing it to the blender, I'll go ahead and pour in the lemon juice. Pour water as you want, but not too not too much. Yeah, I will just add the water until the vegetables are covered like this. Cover it and blend them until they are very smooth. And as you can see in the plate, I have the cucumber, the kiwi, and the lemon well cut. Can you see how smooth they look and so beautiful? Yes, you can drink this and feel yourself. I like it sometimes when I want to satisfy my craving, not to eat too much. I just take the little cup of it and just be sipping it little by little. The taste and the smoothness is something else. So with that little cup, you can serve to your kids to take. Not only them, you can take it as well, adults, but this is exclusively for children. So here I'm going to add in the ones that have the skin and the seed. Everything, I'll go ahead and blend them. The color is different and the textures are very, very different. Sorry, I'm also forgetting to tell you some benefits of lemon. Lemon promotes hydration. It is a good source of vitamin C. It also supports weight loss. Yes, it supports weight loss. It improves your skin quality. Oh boy, I am seeing it in my skin. You have to try and see. It aids digestion. It freshens breath. It helps prevent kidney stone. Yes, try this. You will see how it will clean your stomach very well. You will see it yourself. In fact, tell me after you finish sucking them. Try this for a week. Yes, I have been on this journey for a week with my husband. He likes it. For me, it makes me to pee too much. I can pee if I take this for like, hey, I can't count how many times. I pee a lot. But my husband is saying him to number 2 very, very well. So it may react in different way. But make sure you are ready for it, yes. So to get the maximum benefit of this, you have to take one on empty stomach in the morning and one lastly before you sleep. That should be the last thing you take before you sleep. You will see the benefit. Just try it and see. Yeah, you will really see this works very well, both for weight loss and for healthy body. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Bye.